Everyone thinks the best-selling floating mat is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1: Intex Giant Inflatable Mat. Let's kick things off with the Intex 56841 EP Giant Inflatable Floating Water Mat. For around $42.99, this one really caught my eye with its vibrant teal color and size, measuring 114 inches long and 84 inches wide. If you want a relaxing platform for fun in the water, this is worth a serious look. The two air chambers allow for quick inflation and deflation, which is a huge time saver when you're eager to hit the water. The durable 20-gauge vinyl construction means it can withstand a bit of rough play, and with over 6,000 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clear that many people are happy with this choice. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking for a safe space to lounge or play without worrying about durability, this mat is a great option. Now, some people complained about its buoyancy for heavier individuals. Here's the thing though, if you're under 600 pounds total on it, you should have no problem at all. It's perfect for a day on the lake with friends or family, but it might not be the best fit for larger groups. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable and straightforward inflatable mat for light use. Skip this one if you plan on frequent heavy use or have a larger party in mind. For the price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if the Intex mat size and weight limit are concerns for you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: AWSUM Inflatable Dock. Next up is the AWSUM Inflatable Floating Dock, priced at $279.99. This one's a bestseller for a reason. Initially, the mint green and gray color drew me in, but it's the build quality that really stands out. If you're after a stable floating platform for family fun, this is definitely worth your attention. Plus, the fast setup with a hand pump makes it incredibly convenient. It also supports up to 1,800 pounds, which means you can gather a whole crew for a day of fun on the water without worry. The non-slip surface and detachable ladder are perfect for easy water access, especially for kids and less confident swimmers. The included carry bag makes it great for transport, and with over 600 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, many users find it reliable. However, some buyers mentioned it takes a while to inflate. Here's the thing though, with that extra stability and size comes a bit of extra effort. If you need a solid platform that can handle a crowd, the setup time might just be a small price to pay. This is great for families wanting a robust floating dock for gatherings. Skip this option if you're looking for something lightweight or compact for personal use. While it's pricier, the value is clear if you plan to use it often. Alright, that was a solid choice. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for casual lake days. Product number 3: CTSC Lily Pad 9x4 Mat. Now let's talk about the CTSC Lily Pad Floating Mat, priced at $159.99. The first thing that caught my eye was its vibrant colors and solid size of 9 feet by 4 feet. If you want a fun mat for parties, this one is definitely worth a serious look. This mat is made from 3-layer tear-resistant XPE foam, which is not only durable but also gives it great buoyancy, supporting up to 400 pounds. It's perfect for a couple of adults lounging or kids playing around. The bright colors enhance visibility, making it safer in busy areas, and the included tether means you can easily anchor it to a fixed point. With a 4.3-star rating from over 454 reviews, it's clear many families are enjoying this mat. Here's why this matters for you. If you want to create lasting summer memories, this mat is built to withstand the fun. Some users noted it can get a bit slippery when wet. But let's be real, if you're using it at a lake or pool, a little caution goes a long way. And for the fun you'll have, that's a minor concern. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a colorful and durable mat for family fun. Skip this if you want something larger or with a higher weight capacity. It's a solid investment for summer adventures. Now, if the size of the CTSC mat feels a bit limiting, then check out this next option that offers even more space. Product number 4: CTSC Lily Pad 12x5 Mat. Next in line is the CTSC Lily Pad Floating Mat, measuring 12 feet by 5 feet at a price of $239.99. Right off the bat, the bright orange and yellow colors pop, making it a fun addition to any lake day. If you need a larger space for group fun, this mat is worth considering. With a load-bearing capacity of up to 690 pounds, it's suitable for around 4-5 adults, which means larger gatherings can enjoy it without worry. The durability here is impressive, and the 4.3-star rating from over 454 reviews speaks volumes about its quality. Here's why this matters for you. If you want to entertain a crowd on the water, this mat has you covered. However, some customers mentioned it can be bulky to carry. Honestly, if you're driving to the lake, that might not be a deal breaker, but for those who travel light, it might be something to think about. This is ideal for parties and group outings. Skip this if you're looking for something smaller or more portable. For this size, the price is quite reasonable considering the fun it brings. Finally, if the bulkiness of larger mats concerns you, the next option might be the perfect balance. Product number 5, CTSC Lily Pad 10x5 Mat. Last but not least is the CTSC Lily Pad Floating Mat at 10 feet by 5 feet, priced at $189.99. The color combination of blue, green, and yellow is not just fun but also functional, as it enhances visibility. If you want a solid middle ground for size and price, this mat is definitely worth a look. Just like the others, it features a strong 3-layer design with UV resistance, supporting up to 600 pounds, making it suitable for 3-4 adults. This mat is light enough for easy transport but still provides a substantial area to enjoy on the water. With similar features to its bigger siblings, it's a fantastic choice for those who want quality without the heft. The same 4.3-star rating shows it's a reliable option for summer fun. Some users have pointed out that it requires some effort to roll up for storage. Here's the thing though, every mat has its quirks, and if you're looking for durability and fun, a little maneuvering is worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a good balance of size, price, and fun for family outings. Skip this if you want something extremely portable. For the value it offers, it's a fantastic pick. So if you're looking for a reliable floating mat, each of these options has something unique to offer depending on your needs. In summary, we've covered 5 great floating mats, each with its own strengths. The Intex mat is great for casual use, while the AWSUM dock offers durability for larger groups. The CTSC mats range from fun and colorful options to larger, sturdier choices. Depending on your needs for space, portability, and price, there's definitely a perfect floating mat for your summer adventures. Happy floating!